The class presentation of grade 10th A was held on 25th April 2025 at Birla Public School, Ganganagar, with great enthusiasm. The program began with a warm welcome extended to the parents, followed by the reception of our respected principal sir. A brief introduction set the stage for the day's theme, adept to involve turning challenges into opportunities. The program opened with a graceful welcome dance and a melodious welcome song, lifting the spirit of the audience. An inspirational talk connected the audience to the theme, encouraging resilience and growth. It was followed by an innovative talk show where students portrayed inspiring personalities like Madhubala and Shakuntala Devi, sharing their journey through lively interviews.
To begin with, could you tell us a little more about yourself?
Certainly, I was born and brought up in Bangalore, and I discovered my music number very early in life.
The event continued with an expressive poetry recitation and thought-provoking thematic skit, both beautifully reinforcing the central message.
For everyone, try something else, Megha, like baking, cooking, stitching, or selling vegetables.
Aditya, that's not funny. Everyone has friends. Maybe Megha has just hadn't found her.
A vibrant cultural fusion dance added color and energy to the celebration. The program concluded with an inspiring address by Principal Sir.
It's a very proud moment when we see our own children doing so much and the virtue what we have seen them doing, that I saw a different facet of their personality.
The event was a wonderful showcase of talent, hard work, and the spirit of embracing challenges as opportunities. Stay tuned with Birla Public School, Ganganagar, a step ahead.